Alright, what is going on YouTube? This is the real deal. You want to get your hair curly. You probably looking at my hair like, what's wrong with this hair? It might look good to some of y'all, but my hair right now is crazy. I need to moisturize it, everything. So basically, I'm about to tell you how do you get your hair curly. Because y'all keep asking me. In the last video, you know, the quality was a little doo-doo, whatever you want to call it. The joint was trash, garbage. So alright, I'm about to tell y'all. First of all, your main ingredient is water. You know, water. Get some water. That's your main ingredient. And then y'all stop putting them trifling hair products in your hair. That's making you putting chemicals in your hair. That's what you really messing up at. I mean, you could put like natural ingredients in, like oil or something. Well, you know, if you don't care, go ahead and put all that curly stuff in there or whatever. If it makes your hair curly and moisturize it or whatever, do that. I'm sorry, I keep looking in the mirror. That's why I keep looking over there. So basically, when you're in the shower, right, you won't comb your hair out. Don't use no comb like this. This is a comb, you know, for wavers. You know how they woofing and they like, you know, that's what they use. Basically this, whatever. So basically when you in the shower, right? I mean, hold on. Let me stop. Let me stop before I miss out something. So basically, before you get in the shower, you probably, you know, I prefer to do it while I'm in the shower. You can comb your hair out, you know, blow dry it, pick it out. Well, not blow dry, that's adding heat to your hair and, you know, damaging, because heat can damage your hair. Just letting you know. So basically, you comb it out or you can pick it out. People say it hurts when it's dry. I say the same thing. Your curls, like, they get all over the place. Your hair is not, you know, what you think is not being all that. Your curls is like into each other and all that. So basically, you need to fix your hair and all that. So basically, while you're in the shower, you can use this. Call it a comb brush, you know, they mix together, you know. Or, you know, when I'm in the shower, I comb my sides, the back, the sides, and the front. That's what I do. And then, yeah, you know, you wash it or whatever, but that's what you want to do. You want to do that. You want to comb it out, make sure everything is combed out, get all that dead hair out your hair. Dead hair is not a problem. That means your hair is growing. Don't forget that. It's growing. So then, when you do that, right, you want to get you a little t-shirt and all that. This t-shirt. You want to get you like a regular little t-shirt to dry off your hair. Why? Because a towel is rough and it's roughing up your hair. And like, when you drying it off, right, with the t-shirt, you know how you like going like this? You do that like that and like dry it, you know? So, you know, you get all that water out and everything. You know, shake it a little bit and all, whatever. So you see how my hair is right now? It might look good to y'all, but to me, I need to go moisturize it. I'm gonna show y'all how my hair gonna come out and all that. So basically, I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit, so peace. All right, welcome back YouTube. I just got out the shower and stuff. You see my hair still wet or whatever. I'm not gonna put nothing in it. No oil, nothing. If y'all wanna put oil or whatever can too, some curling products, y'all can do that. See, me, I'm not gonna do that. So basically, I'm gonna just, you know, dry my hair with a t-shirt and we're gonna see how it comes out tonight. So y'all gonna see me dry my hair, hold on. Do y'all see how I look now? Hold on, it's still a little bit wet, but that's cool. Just get a little t-shirt and just dry it, you know, pick it out, but don't pick it out too hard. Oh, towel came up, but that's cool. Just shake it now. Y'all see how it looks now? Y'all see? All right, now we're gonna wait till tomorrow. We're gonna see how it come out. All right, welcome back. It's the next day. You know, my hair dry and everything. Showed y'all what I did doing the following steps. And I'm gonna just, you know, give y'all a little exam, rotate and show y'all my hair, see how it came out. So here we go. So if y'all didn't like the way how y'all hair came out or anything, it's all over the place, just pick, you know, don't pick it out. Just like, you know, fix your hair and do all that, because that happens a lot. So if you got a problem, just, you know, fix it like that. And if you don't want to keep doing that, then just wet your hair and just wrap it up at night and then just take it out. And then like if your hair, like the volume of your hair, like if it shrink or something, and just do that, or just like wrap it up or something, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you get your hair like this or whatever, how y'all want it. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.